Hi everyone, my name is Ravi Verma Puspanathan. We are the students from the class of Energy Conversion May 2020. We are Group 5. We are here to explain the technical functions and the application on the boiler economizer. What is boiler economizer? Boiler economizers are heat exchange devices that heat a liquid, usually water, but up to usually does not exceed the boiling point of liquid. In the case of boiler system, economizer can be provided to utilize the flue gas heat for preheating the boiler feed water. This increases the temperature of boiler feed water, lowering the required energy input, in turn reducing the level required for firing the boiler rated output. Economizers are typically used as part of the heat recovery steam generators in combined cycle power plant. As for the working principle of the boiler economizer, the feed water is pumped to the bottom header and this water is carried to the top header through the vertical tubes. The hot flue gases coming from the boiler pass over the vertical tubes of economizer. The heat transfer takes place from flue gases to cold water rising in the vertical tubes. The feed water which flows upward in the tubes thus heated by the flue gas. This preheated water is then supplied to the boiler from the stop valve. Construction of economizer consists of a series of vertical tubes. The bottom header is connected to the feed pump. Top header is connected to the water space of the boiler. It is provided with the safety valve which opens when water pressure exceeds a limit to keep the surface of the tubes clean from soot and ash deposits. Scrapers are provided in the tubes. When the gas flow and water flow are in the same direction, it is called parallel flow economizer. In counterflow, the gas flow and water flow are in opposite direction.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Karadin and I will explain about different type of tubes in economizer. There are many types of tube in economizer. One of it is the plain tube type economizer. In this type of tube, the waste flue gas flow outside the economizer tubes and heat is transferred to the feed water flowing inside the tubes. And high efficiency of economizer can be maintained by preventing soot deposition. And next is the gill tube type economizer. This gill type of economizer may have bare and thin tubes. Efficiency is higher than plain type economizer because there is reduction in size and higher heat transmission due to gills on bare tube walls. Next is the maintenance and safety features. The source of flue gases which gets deposited on the vertical pipes reduces the efficiency of the economizer. Hence, to prevent the soot deposited, the scrapers moves up and down by chain and the gears to keep the external surface of the tubes be clean and thus enhance the heat transfer. A safety valve is provided at the bottom of the tubes to prevent causing damage to the economizer.
Hi, my name is Rana Shaira and I'll be talking on the advantages and disadvantages of economizer. First of all, the soot of flue gases that gets deposited on the vertical pipes will reduce the efficiency of the economizer. As increase in fuel price, all power plants are facing pressure for increasing efficiency. So, by using an economizer, this pressure could be minimized. The consumption of fuel is also reduced where 1% of fuel costs can be saved for every 6 degrees Celsius of rise in temperature in the boiler feed water. Furthermore, it enhances the heat transfer efficiency where to prevent the soot deposited, the scrapers move up and down by chain and to gears to keep the external surface of the tubes clean. It also recovers more heat of flue gases which normal air preheater cannot do. There is also a safety valve provided at the bottom of the tube to prevent damage on the economizer. However, there are also some disadvantages of the economizer. Economizers are usually placed at the passage of the flow of flue gases, so pressure drop takes place of flue gases. Due to that, natural draught is not possible in economizer because the temperature of the flue gases decrease together with the pressure drop of the flue gases. Draught is known as the pressure difference for maintaining the constant flow of air and the discharging of gases. It provides velocity to the flue gases and also increase the heat transfer coefficient. Therefore, forced draught is required rather than natural draught. Economizer might require high fan energy use and it requires a bigger space requirements. Not just that, the operational cost might also increase because water treatment might be required. So that's all from us. Thank you.